Oh, hi guys, welcome back in Channel. So guys, this video is especially make for my viewer comment. So in my regular viewer, I think that she comment me that how he can add on her chat app image. Okay, it's mean that we can how can the user send picture on the chat. Okay, so for that you can see I'm not doing anything right now. So let's start that. First we want to go on the custom view, which custom view you add the whole thing, that image, your chatting. Okay, which custom you are using your chatting app. So here, there you want to go and to add a image. Okay, so you want to make sure that the image give the scroll types is center of inside. Okay, because it needs to give the uh, fully picture is center of inside. Okay, but don't need to give the heightness or whiteness. Okay, so for that the user can't see the picture goodly. Okay, so I recommend to use just change the scroll type. Okay, then just change the image view name. So here we give it picture. Okay, picture. After then just save it, then come on the main activity, or which activity you use the list view. You want to go there, and on the view or behind of the custom view you want to need add a view that URL. Okay, the image, that one image view with set it image URL. You want to set it that image view picture. Okay, it just get the image. So then we need a text view. Okay, so text view, and we also need a get text, but we use the get text later. So after then we also need to add in our custom view that a text view. The text view get always that the image which image the user sent. Okay, or upload in her post, it can show the or get the data, so it not mixed with the another data. So let's you want to give it white, so it will be automatically match with the pattern, and give it id is image or picture URL. So for here I use PICH URL. Okay, and just set it and save it again. Then come on the main activity. On the main activity we hand out the custom view. You want to select the text view 5 or picture URL. Okay, so we want to need to add the data. So for give the data we need a get activity. Okay, key, so the position, and we give the key name picture. Okay, picture. Okay, just that one, and set it list, and you want to set it in here the text view 5. After then we can now use the text view 5 get text. So edit text 5. So here I just code that, just here that one. Okay guys, only just that one, that when the user, if then the user sends some picture or the URL is in there, so or the user, when the user just upload a image, it just text view 5 get the image URL. Okay, then the image 2 or the image view URL get the image URL from the text view 5. Okay, so give it here and save it. So here, and to add a button that user can add a picture. So for the adding a picture we want to give it some here. So we use a linear in here. Okay, let's give it some smaller, so we can 500, it's good, and add a linear in here and set it in here. and here, and give the button in here. So now we have a button that user can add the picture. So give it image image, okay, and you want to change the id, because if you don't change the id, you will be confused when you are going to in event, okay. So I give it image, and so user can see which image user select. So user can see from here 150 by 50. So I know it's looking very bad, so give it 100. Yeah, it is look good, and give it center of inside, so user can just see which picture user add in here, okay. And we also need a text view that process the value, okay. We need the value to process how much the picture upgrade or upload in our database. So for here we need a database that, or not need a database, we need a storage that picture, okay. Picture, I give it name same picture, okay. So now we have the picture. So here is, you can see the button one image. On the image we need a file pickup component. So for go component, and just select the file pickup component and set it file, and set it the image file only, okay. User only need to send the file only, just image file, nothing else. So file, after then come on the picture, or first you want to come on the file pickup component, okay. On the component you want to just click on add file pick. So here is the main part of the video, okay. It is a very important part. You make sure that you use properly it and do the same thing, okay. Do not change anything in your app, okay. Write same thing, okay, same word, same thing. First you need a string that file name, okay. The first forward is small letter, and after the forward it means the number of the 5 word. You want to use the alphabet, and after then all the thing is small, okay. File name and file path, okay. File name and path, and you want to make sure that the path name is, the P is big letter, okay. So now we have the string to string that file name and file path, okay. So let's see the str. We needed two str, and on file we need the get last segment, get at the last segment segment path of the path, okay. So we want to just find it here, get at the last segment path of the path. So you want to give it here and set it here, and set it file path, okay. Nothing, okay. You want to select it here, file only. Then on the list you want to add a str. If you already create the str, so you not need. If you are not create, you want to give it and set it 0, okay. The value is 0, and do not select anything from the list select. You want to select that one, okay. Give it here and select it file path, okay. No, you want to select it file name, because we are already use the file name. And from here you want to select the file path, give it here. So now that we have the, when the user just add a file or image in here, it will be also get the file name easily. So in future we need the file name and the file path, so we don't give to user again and again the image name, okay. It is just upload automatically. So now you want to upload the file, set it picture, come on variable again. We need the 2 block from str or string, that file name, file path, okay. So file path is the uploading file path, the image, and the file name from you know that which one the file name. Okay, that one. So it get the automatically the picture name, so user not need to again and again just give the name. After then the pickup file component is ready. Now come on the Firebase storage upload. So here the upload process. Okay, it will be visible the sending button. So we want to find the sending. Here is the sending button, and it will be invisible the button. Okay, and we also need that our text view 4 it will be visible. So on activity you also need to invisible the or invisible the text view 4. You know that guys, which one is the text view 4. So on activity create view, here set it text view 4 is invisible. Okay, so when the first activity is, it will be invisible. When the it will be processed, it will be visible again. Okay, after then visible set text operator without DMC and process value from here and set it the text view 4, so the user can see how much process it will be, so user can't feel or feeling the bore. Then on the upload success on the view, but here we have a problem that we need to data that where the file is or the file image URL we can get or save. So after then when the success, we also add a text view, and text view we set the background resource is transfer, and the text color also is transfer, or you can select it white, so it's showing white, it don't show anything, and set it 10sp. Okay, so now come on success. So on the success we all again the now the sending button become visible, and the text view 4 become invisible, because now we not need now the text view 4, but we now need the sending button. So that's why then text edit text and edit text 5. So edit text 5 is for the download link, we set it here. Okay, so that's all for here. Now come on the sending button. On the sending button we want to add a new put key, that you know that which one is our put key is picture. You want to same give the put key is what you write in the list view, so you can see picture. If you have any type of any type of you have question that it really it here, so you can give it here and just paste the value again, so it can give the real data. Then just we need the URL. Okay, nothing else. So set the URL with edit text 5. Okay, and now it's done. So now if then the user add a image, it have the URL. Oh guys, we don't forget to give the image one when the file is picked. Okay, so we need the file path. Now this time we need the file path. So image view 1, copy it again and just set it here. So now first it take the image view 1. Oh no, first it need to take the file path, then it will be get the image, then it will be get the file name, then it will be uploaded there. Okay, so now whole thing is done. So let's run the application and let's see how it work. Oh guys, so I also want to tell you guys everybody that which viewers you are seeing that video, you can get the project from our app store. It is the Stroyed app store. I give the link on the description, so you can just download the Stroyed app store and search the that video. Okay, you find the chat app, new chat app. Just go and download and see how it works. Then you can also make the same app. Okay, so it just give in Astro App Store you find the APK that how I make, and are it's really work in your Android too. You can see that. Okay, just sync up the application. I already add the Bluetooth, so you can sync up so it don't show the euro messages. Okay, you can add your name, and you can also adding your post and see the artwork, the whole thing is to work properly. Okay, so it is now DX running, so just wait for installing or running. Okay guys, at least after 5 minutes it will be now installing. Okay, so it's take lots of time, so that's why for making the video I every time I just install the app first, then I show you, but this time I'm not doing that thing. So let's first need to contact with the Wi-Fi connection. So I also want to guys tell you that if then it show the euro message, as like now you can see that it will be showing that the child is okay. So we want to just remove the database or just clear the database. So sorry guys, for removing the database clearly I use my another. Okay, one new comments I think comes, how to send picture images in chat app. So guys, you can see I already make for your guy. Okay, so let's come on my Firebase project. Okay, I know guys you are not showing the Firebase project because I use my another Android now. So now you can see that. So for clearing the whole thing, okay, we want to select which account you are use your database. Okay, you want to go that account and just clear the database, and then we see that if then it not work, we want to make it again and solving the problem. So the project is that the Makeroied. I know that guys, the project name is Makeroied. So let's find the Makeroied. Wow, where is the Makeroied go? Oh shit, I think I don't switch my which account I need that. I have two accounts, so in my second account I think that it will be stay. Okay, it's come. Now let's find the Makeroied. So here is the Makeroied. So let's select that one and let's go with database. Oh sorry, it is authentication, database, and real-time database, and we want to remove the all the data. If then it show the euro. So now you can see that it's just showing a little big. So now if then I just click on here, then you can see the data of the, you can see if then I click in plus, you can see the whole matches of the URL of or getting key. It's very big. So let's clear up the data. Okay, now data will removing. Okay, removing it done. So let's come in our app. If then now also it's showing the URLs, it will be in our app some problem. So let's try allow. So network is perfect. So let's give a name Kaka. Every time use the Kaka name. Okay, and let's add a picture. For now I am using that one. Okay, let's give the email address kaka@gmail.com, kaka@gmail, oh sorry, gmail, gmail.com. Password is 1234567 okay. Oh sorry guys, see I just mistake one spelling, 1234567 okay. Now just log in. So login is success. Now you can see our image. Okay, so let's add an image. Oh sorry, what I see. Okay, for now I select that one, and you can see the process is started, and you can see the image, the sending button is now invisible. Now when it will 100%, it will be now done. Okay, let's write something that hi, and let's send it. Click on send button, and now I think that it takes some time to upload the file on the URL. Yeah, here you can see the image now is coming here. You can see our post. Here is the kaka@gmail.com, and hi, you can see it is the whole post, and here recently we just upload the image. So now the image is come. Okay, let's try another picture. Okay, but for now we just write something without using that image. So let's select some other. Okay, I selected a flower, so it is processing now. But there is some bug that after then publishing it not just remove the image. So we want to, in our next video, we just problem or fix the bugs. Okay, so let's write something that hello, how sorry, how are you. Okay, let's send. So now you can see the image not come, and after then sometime it will be, it just takes some time to uploading in the database then get the data. So it just first time it takes some time, so you have need some patience. Okay, so you can see in here it will become, but for now it's not coming. I think also it also need the refresh. Okay, after then publishing it need to refresh the data. So just to wait for okay, it's come. Okay, it's also come, but why it's showing that picture same? Okay, that one it also need to show. So guys, I think there's some bugs in here. So in our next video, yeah guys, here you can see it's now come. Okay, so we are seeing that after the list view, it just takes some time. So we need some time. Here you can see the picture. Here is the picture. You can see the picture, the how are you, and here you can see the picture. It's totally come in here with goodly and fully. So we don't need to add some anything. So that's on this what I am telling guys. So that's on this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and if you have any type of question you can comment us. I give the all the comments reply. You can see, you can find my all the replies in the comment box. I give the all the a single, if then any user just write me a nice video or nice something, I also give the reply of that thing too. So you can comment me if you have any type of question. You can see my one user comment me. Okay, so for one user comment me that were Gaurav. Okay, Gaurav is Indian, I know that. How to send picture. Okay, I already make the video. Okay, so you find the video in morning. Okay, it is now, but I making the video in now 7 p.m. It's in Bangladesh. It's now what I can evening. Okay, 7 p.m. So Gaurav, that video is specially for you. Okay, I think you understand. And if you have any question, or my viewers and you have who is watching the videos now, if you have any question you can comment us. Okay, and you find the project. Okay, whole project in our Stroyed app store. There you can go and just download the Stroyed app store. Okay, for description link, and make sure that you are using the latest version of the Stroyed app store. Okay, it is the v.1 1.0. Okay, you are use some new updates, so just download the app and you can find the project. Just try that project. After that you can make a same to same project in your Sketchware app. Okay, bye bye.